The next update, tearing into it. Looks like a broke intake bolt. We'll have to extract that. Cam's a roller cam, so it just makes it all the more fun. Everything looks fairly good. We'll have to clean it up. It looks like a lot of buildup and rust in the water jackets. Thought there was something I was going to say and just forgot. Oh yeah, back here where the EGR emissions crap, these two ports need to be plugged. I think I'm just going to try to tap them. It shouldn't be a lot of pressure, and shouldn't have to go in too deep with plugs. Yeah, tapping seems to be the way to go. And I guess we're going to drain the oil, flip it upside down, and find out if it's been bored out any. If not, we're going to start ordering parts and cleaning this ugly thing up. Alright, well, that's it for now. Adios. Say bye, George.